Hi, we are here today in Dolphin's Reef in Eilat, and we wanted to swim with the dolphins, but unfortunately it was fully booked. We didn't prepare ourselves for this. Actually we saw, but we didn't have means of booking it online. And we arrived here. It's not so good weather after all, but it's not sunny, but the water is still very warm. It's 23, 24 degrees according to the trainer. She told us. We were already there with the dolphins, you know, like on the platform. The dolphins, we've learned that they are free to go if they want. They are, you can see that it's like some fence here, but they are free to go and come when they want, but they decided to stay here because they feel this as their home, because they have food, of course, but they also have the trainees and the people that are used to be with them every day here, and they feel already, they live already as a community, the dolphins. Maybe tomorrow we'll come again. We have the ticket, we can come tomorrow. When it's not good weather, they say to you that you can come next day to have the experience again. We are here in the Red Canyon on the last trail. It's already the end, and we just went through very small and narrow places. It was very nice, and now we're going again up through the trail back up, and we'll just have some fun.
Brauch die Hände, Entschuldigung. Bitte. Nein, das war jetzt zu knapp. Gib mir es zurück, gib mir es zurück.
Nein. Nein, es ist wirklich toll hier, Wahnsinn.
So this is our accommodation tonight.
It was.
It was, yes, yes. Sorry for the mess. Yes, yes.
Yeah,
You can see, we can hear what can cook something. Here we have a table. Here is our bed.
Yes.
Here is also a place for children. And this is the bathroom.
You have all the amenities that you can use. It's amazing. You have like also air conditioning. You have a TV next to our bedroom. It's amazing. Yeah.
Here you can see from outside. Ja, das werde ich sehen, ja, weil ich meine Hände brauche.
Der ist so steppt. Schaut so arg aus. Ja, wir können
immer, es ist besser, es ist besser.
Okay, dann ich mach schon. So geht's es, ja? Farbe. First I read the red stone sand, then the yellow one, then the green. Actually the green I haven't seen yet, green stones. But yeah, then the dark brown, or I don't know, black. I always want to follow the same layers sequence, that I have the same. When it goes to the top, you have to put it here, so more up, otherwise it doesn't run down anymore.
Ah, you made it. High five.
Ja, und auch Papas machen.
Also da ist er nicht gut, ja. Salz geht unter den Fuß, ja.
Für mich ist okay.
Ja.
Danke. Alles cool, ja.
Please be careful of the automatic doors. We hope you enjoy your visit.
Ah, vielleicht nicht hier ist.
Hat mich zu.
a lui si copre il